Power BI dashboards tell a story, but the real story behind them is often locked away. Users see the visuals, but the metadata behind tables, relationships, and measures remains hidden. That's why we built Dhimath, a platform that turns your Power BI dashboard into a conversation. Start by uploading your Power BI template file. Dhimath instantly extracts the entire metadata model. In seconds, Dhimath shows every table used in the report, with column names, data types, source references, and even calculated fields with their Power BI expressions. Identify table origins like PostgreSQL, spreadsheets, etc. With the Relationship tab, Dhimath helps you visualize how your tables are linked, revealing relationships, joins, and data flow across the entire model. With Measures, every DAX measure is automatically extracted, giving you full visibility into the formulas behind your KPIs. And now, the most powerful part. Switch to the chat interface and ask Dhimath anything. It analyzes your metadata model, interprets relationships, and provides precise answers with relevant charts, enabling every business user to access insights without depending on technical teams. Empower your teams with Dhimath. Introduce Greywiz at work, your trusted AI partner for intelligent decision-making.